Welcome back to Android tutorials, and in this video I am going to introduce about the wallpaper app series that we are going to start in our upcoming videos. So in that we are going to learn how to make the wallpaper app in Android Studio. So let me introduce what we are going to do in this application, and from where we are going to brought the HD wallpapers, and how user will able to share, download, and uh, set wallpaper, and many more things about in this introduction. So let's begin. Before that, I would like you to subscribe to our channel to don't miss our wallpaper app series videos. So let me introduce about the wallpaper app series. So in this wallpaper app we are going to add 6 plus HD wallpapers categories, or you can add up to 10 to 20 categories of the wallpapers, and I will also tell you how to implement this. So if you are interested, then comment me down below about how you are interested and are you excited or not. So after that we are going to add one splash screen with animations, so that we can make our user engaging in our application. And if you don't know how to make the splash screen with animation and are you beginner, then also you will make this application easily. Just need is one PC or a laptop, internet connection, and an Android device. And I am going to do this whole tutorial practically. So I will also see these wallpapers in our Android device also. After that I am going to add the clean dashboard. I mean, clean dashboard means we are going to implement the navigation drawer, custom title, ratus, like button, and we are going to implement four parts. So first part will be of the auto image slider. After we are going to add one most popular wallpapers, and then we are going to write featured wallpapers. After we are going to make one slider so that user can visit our full categories. And after this series I am also going to make how to add the ads in our application. So please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't miss any update. So after this complete of series I am going to explain you the A to Z tutorial of how to add the all kinds of ad, means AdSense and Facebook ads series. Then we are going to bring the wallpapers HD from Pixabay API. Means we are going to use one API, so you will get the knowledge of API also. And Pixabay is providing free images, means royalty free stock images. And if you don't know about Pixabay, then I will introduce the Pixabay in next video. So please make sure you subscribe. And after that we are going to bring the HD wallpapers and medium wallpapers, and our images or wallpapers that we bring will be zoomable, means a user can zoom it and zoom down as the user want, and user will also able to download that HD images, and after they can also share these images. And after we are also going to add the settest wallpaper function in our Android application of wallpaper. And after that we are going to check the internet connectivity, and if user is not connected with Wi-Fi or a mobile network, then we will redirect it. We are going to make an alert dialog where they will know how what is the problem, and then we are going to redirect that user to the settings of Wi-Fi. And after we are also going to implement a navigation drawer with animation. Yes, we are also going to add navigation drawer with animations, and we will try to make this application more and more animated. After we are going to move forward. And finally we are going to ask for exit confirmation and rate us. So if you are interested about this series, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel Android Tutorials and like and share comment this Android tutorial. And after you can till that you can watch our these videos. Thanks for watching Android tutorials. Don't miss any update and subscribe from here. Thanks for watching.